So I have here Judgment Joker. For some reason, I just had to get one because British has just things out way too many Beyblades there. You should definitely check out the Toys R Us there. They have all the releases except for Ace and Slash. I think they have Bushin. They have what do you call that? Zwei. They have Rage. They have even the End and that's Solomon and Spriggan. But let's open it. Yeah. Yeah. It's normal, yes. So we have my third double O, a Judgment Joker, this turn frame, and this trick driver. Would be fun to mess with that trick driver on Ligma Sonic.